Hi guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a Bradford press with a barbell. So for the setup, when we're doing our Bradford press, we want our feet directly below our hips. We're going to squeeze our glutes. We're going to squeeze our abs, okay? We're going to start in the barbell in the front rack position. So our shoulders are going to be protruding forward here because this is going to give us a shelf to rest the barbell. All right, so I've got my shelf, and like when I say shelf, your shoulders are forward, okay? We want our hands wrapped around the barbell, including our thumbs wrapped, squeezing our glutes, squeezing our quads, squeezing our abs. Press the barbell up and just high enough over our head to clear our head back onto the back of the shoulders, and then from there, forward to the front resting position. That's 1 rep. We can kind of move our head if we need to get it out of the way. But that is our Bradford press. Very, very, very shoulder centric. So if you want more shoulder building exercises like these, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.